So I bought this little combination machine yesterday off Marketplace for 20 bucks, which I think is a pretty good buy. It wasn't going, but I played around with the electrics quickly and put a new switch in and got it going. I wasn't going to make a video of it, but it's such a unique little machine and it's so well built, I thought it was worth a video. So I'm going to clean it up and then I'll show you guys some of its features. So here's the little Mia6 made by Zinken Italiana. I've cleaned it all up and I've got everything working. So the little combination machine is a table saw, it's a jointer, it's a thicknesser, a slot mortiser, and it's a router table as well. So it's an interesting little machine in that regard, and it's all driven by one electric motor. So I'll quickly show you each of the individual machines. So this is looking underneath into the internals of the machine, and you can see the one motor here drives a common drive shaft, and then this collet's what engages the three different belts, so the table saw, the joiner thicknesser, slot mortiser, and the router. So by adjusting that collet just there, that one just there, you engage one of the three, which is quite interesting. And there you can see the mechanism for the feed for the thicknesser, and this is the adjustment for the thicknesser table and slot mortiser table as well. So quite an interesting little machine, very well built. I would hate to have to try and replace one of these belts. It looks pretty complicated. It looks like you'd nearly have to split the machine in half to do that, but just in general, something pretty interesting, something very different. I've never seen anything like this. So I originally bought the little machine, I was just going to clean it up and sell it on. But now that, you know, I've sort of cleaned it up and got everything working, I've sort of fallen in love with it a little bit. I think it's really well built and quite a unique machine, so I'm going to keep it. Doing a little bit of research online, it looks like I'm missing quite a few of the attachments, I guess. There's clamps that go on different parts of the saw, like there's a jig that lets you cross cut here, and there's a clamp on the slot mortiser bed. There's also some safety stuff, a blade guard, and then there was another attachment that I think covered the jointer mechanism as well. All of that's missing, but yeah, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I just made it because I thought some of my viewers might find it sort of interesting and like old machines like I do. So thanks for watching.